If you thought the Pocket 3 was impressive, just wait. DJI's next-gen Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to be a major leap forward. From a bigger screen and better stabilization to potential Hasselblad camera tech, this isn't just a minor upgrade. It might redefine what a pocket-sized camera can do. In this video, we're diving into all the confirmed specs, leaks, price details, and the expected release window to see why the Osmo Pocket 4 has creators buzzing. Let's get into it. The Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be far more than a simple refresh of its predecessor. One of the most exciting rumors is its potential integration of Hasselblad camera technology, a name that carries immense weight in the world of professional imaging. Until now, Hasselblad's color science and optical clarity have been reserved for DJI's high-end drones, such as the Mavic 4 Pro. Bringing this expertise to a handheld camera could fundamentally change what's possible for content creators who want professional-grade image quality in a device that fits in their pocket. Hasselblad is renowned for its exceptional color accuracy, clarity, and detail. And if these qualities make their way into the Osmo Pocket 4, it could set a new standard for compact cameras. Adding fuel to the excitement, there are strong rumors that DJI may soon increase its ownership stake in Hasselblad to 75%. Such a move would likely lead to even deeper integration of Hasselblad's imaging expertise across DJI's entire product line. For the Osmo Pocket 4, this could mean not just better hardware, but also advanced software features and color science that elevate the camera's performance well beyond that of its predecessors. The Osmo Pocket 4, therefore, is not just another iteration. It could represent a significant leap forward, potentially marking the beginning of a new era in portable filmmaking. When it comes to design, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to undergo meaningful changes that address both aesthetics and usability. The most noticeable update is the rumored increase in size and weight, with the device expected to tip the scales at around 190 grams. This slight increase is likely to accommodate a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a significant step up from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. The new screen is said to offer a resolution of 480 by 800 and a brightness of 800 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. This makes it easier for users to frame shots, review footage, and navigate menus, all while enjoying a more immersive and interactive experience. Comfort and ergonomics are also being prioritized. Reports suggest that the Osmo Pocket 4 will feature improved button placement and a more textured grip, making it easier and more comfortable to hold during extended shooting sessions. These changes may seem subtle, but for creators who spend hours capturing footage, they can make a significant difference in usability and fatigue. Under the hood, the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to boast a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This combination promises sharper images, better low-light performance, and a wider dynamic range. The ISO range is expected to stretch from 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, enabling the camera to perform admirably even in challenging lighting conditions. Color fidelity is set to reach new heights with support for 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording. These features provide creators with greater flexibility for color grading and post-production, allowing for richer, more cinematic footage. Autofocus is another area where the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to shine. The addition of phase detection and eye-tracking autofocus could dramatically reduce the focus hunting issues that sometimes plague the Pocket 3. This means faster, more reliable focus on moving subjects, which is especially valuable for vloggers and action shooters. This would streamline the workflow for creators, making it easier to capture high-quality content on the go. Smart features are set to play a big role in the Osmo Pocket 4's appeal. One of the standout upgrades is the rumored Active Track 7.0, which could combine phase detection and eye tracking for even more accurate subject tracking. This would ensure that the camera maintains smooth, reliable focus on fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for dynamic shooting scenarios. The gimbal stabilization system is also expected to receive a major boost, blending mechanical stabilization with advanced electronic algorithms. The result could be ultra-smooth footage, even during rapid movements or action-packed scenes. Video performance is another area where the OSMO Pocket 4 could truly excel. The device is rumored to support 4K video recording at an impressive 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of its predecessor. Combined with the larger sensor and improved optics, this should translate to sharper details, better low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range. For creators who demand cinematic quality, precision focus, and faster workflows, the OSMO Pocket 4 is shaping up to be an indispensable tool. Battery life and charging are crucial for any handheld camera, and the OSMO Pocket 4 is rumored to deliver significant improvements in this department as well. A more efficient power management system could enable longer recording sessions, even with the demands of a larger screen and more powerful processor. Fast charging is another key upgrade, with reports suggesting that the Pocket 4 will support a full charge in just 25 minutes using DJI's PD charger, a notable improvement over the 32-minute charge time of the Pocket 3. While the exact battery capacity has yet to be confirmed, it's expected to surpass the Pocket 3's 1300 mAh battery, a game changer for creators during long shoots. As for availability and pricing, the OSMO Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's typical 3-year release cycle. The standard version is rumored to be priced at $699, with a creator combo package available for $799. This marks a price increase from the Pocket 3, but the enhanced features, such as the larger screen, improved stabilization, and superior image processing, position it as a premium tool aimed at serious creators. Casual users may still find the Pocket 3 to be a better fit, but for those seeking the cutting edge of portable video production, the Pocket 4 could be a game changer. While these details are based on leaks and rumors, it's wise to wait for DJI's official announcement before making any purchasing decisions. However, if even half of the rumored features come to fruition, the OSMO Pocket 4 could set a new benchmark for what's possible in a pocket-sized camera. And that wraps up everything we know so far about the DJI OSMO Pocket 4. If even a fraction of these rumored upgrades turn out to be true, we might be looking at one of the most powerful compact cameras ever made. From Hasselblad Integration to 4K at 240 frames per second, this could seriously shift the game for creators. What feature are you most excited about? Or is there something you think DJI should definitely include? Let's talk in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful or just love keeping up with gear like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the official launch details when they drop.